Gorontalo features attractive natural landscape that feeds your eyes. It has cultural diversity, customs, unique tribes, and natural beauty that is interesting to visit, including the culinary. Gorontalo has the typical processed products, such as Karawo cookies, banana chips with cheese milk flavor, sagela chili sauce, and several other typical products from Gorontalo. The characteristic of these products come from the ingredients and how the product itself processed. These are such things to differentiate processed product from Gorontalo. Karawo cookies. It is one of the premium cookies from Gorontalo province. These are tricky to make. These cookies are typically made by drawing the pattern at first, rename it Mo Karawo, or to design the pattern. However, not everyone is capable to make these cookies. Tuna fish floss. It is one of the premium processed products from Gorontalo. Flossy, dry shed of tuna fish perfectly marinated in premium Gorontalo typical spices, which melt in the mouth while retaining the silkiness of the floss.